car that is built for people. As salespeople, you realize that customers want an economical new car without sacrificing performance, reliability, or comfort. Now, in addition to offering your customers the greatest value in America, you can offer them exciting new styling and design with the Yugo GVL and GVX models, all a part of the GV series. The Yugo GV is a remarkably equipped hatchback that gives new meaning to the term basic transportation. Let's take a look at why. As you can see, the access to the engine compartment is by a remote hood release on the left fender well. This is very important to the customer because the location provides protection from theft and tampering. The heart of the Yugo GV is the 1.1-liter inline 4-cylinder overhead cam engine, which is transversely mounted and offers ease of maintenance to the thrifty-minded consumer. This engine develops 54 horsepower at 5,000 RPM. This means acceleration of 0 to 50 in 10.6 seconds, and a mere 19.5 seconds for 1/4 mile ensures safe access to major highways. A 2-header manifold and a 2-barrel carburetor, manufactured by Carter-Weber, provides good performance on the highway while giving good gas mileage and excellent response in stop-and-go traffic. The Yugo utilizes a 45-amp battery and a 55-amp alternator to provide power for quick starts and the handling of accessories such as air conditioning. Bosch electronic ignition provides trouble-free starting and long life, together with low maintenance. To aid in dependability, the Yugo's wiring is routed through plastic conduit to protect it from the elements or accidental breakage. Also, there are no expensive computer chips to diagnose or replace. In the cooling department, Yugo has taken advantage of Yugoslavia's vast resources to equip the Yugo with a copper core radiator. An efficient conductor of heat, this material, coupled with a 2-speed electric fan, provides trouble-free, efficient cooling. Out on the road, the conditions become more demanding, and the Yugo's 4-wheel independent suspension takes it in stride. McPherson struts in front are combined with a front anti-sway bar. Rack and pinion steering and a transverse leaf rear spring give sure-footed handling and excellent control on any surface. Yugo's front-wheel drive, coupled with a 4-speed transmission, provide better traction on uneven or slippery surfaces. Traction is transmitted to the pavement through tough steel-belted radial tires. These tires, manufactured by B.F. Goodrich, provide good road holding and good fuel economy and include a full-size spare. The front mounting of the spare provides many advantages. Easy accessibility, more luggage space, and security from theft are a few. It is also designed to absorb energy in a frontal impact. The Yugo has superb stopping ability due to the Bendix power-assisted front disc and rear drum brakes. 60 miles per hour to 0 can be accomplished in 168 feet, giving the owner safety and confidence. All cars look good when they're new, but the Yugo will look good for a long, long time because of the standard features and construction which are designed to provide maximum protection from the elements and everyday hazards. Using space-age technology, the Yugo uses a material called Lexan in a number of different applications. This material is stronger than steel and won't rust, stain, or tear, and the bumpers will still look good after a minor incident. The exterior features were designed to prevent rust and corrosion with PVC undercoating along the rocker panels and inner fender wells, plastic-coated drip rails, body side moldings, and plastic inner fender liners. Synchro steel is used during manufacturing in all critical areas of the body. The body is then submerged in an electronically charged primer bath to provide maximum rust protection. The front spoiler is aerodynamically designed for better gas mileage, and the headlamp covers will prevent accidental damage from road hazards. The Sylvania quartz halogen lamps provide 33% greater illumination than a standard sealed beam unit and give the driver a greater margin of safety. Other convenient features not found on many subcompact cars are readily apparent. A locking gas cap provides security and safety. At the back of the car is the rear defroster, which provides safety in inclement weather. A spare fuse and bulb kit and a tool kit give the Yugo owner peace of mind in case of an emergency. Inside the Yugo, ample cargo space of 9 cubic feet is expanded to 27.5 cubic feet when the rear seat is folded forward. The standard cargo cover provides security from prying eyes. The passenger compartment is of welcome relief from the standard subcompact interior. Fully reclining cloth upholstered seats provide year-round comfort and good looks. The 4 fully adjustable and removable headrests provide comfort and safety to all passengers. Full carpeting enhances the comfort and looks of the interior. Other luxury refinements include niceties such as 2 overhead map lamps, 3 passenger assist handles, and full carpeting. There is also a passenger side vanity mirror, a cigarette lighter, and 2 ashtrays. The rear view day-night mirror is designed to break away in the event of a mishap. Adding to the passenger's comfort are convenient rear vent windows. Key lock doors prevent accidental locking of the keys inside the vehicle, and the fully retractable antenna is a deterrent to vandals and provides excellent reception. Dependable, highly legible analog instruments relay all information to the driver. Easily operated rocker switches operate major functions on the Yugo and are placed for driver comfort. High beams, windshield washer wipers, and turn signals are individually operated by conveniently placed steering column controls. The Yugo driver is kept aware of various situations by the use of warning light systems. The systems monitored are low battery, low fuel, headlamps on, and seat belts. In addition to all the standard features, the Yugo GBL offers more style and luxury refinement. The rear brake light integrated reverse light panel has been designed for a sleek, streamlined appearance. Red stripe accents on the front and rear bumpers now highlight the standard body and side molding. Inside, the GBL offers new premium upholstery, 4 individual headrests, and new front seat mechanisms provide a greater level of comfort and ease of entry. For better visibility, a rear wiper washer is now standard equipment. For your performance-oriented consumers, the sporty GVX offers a package that is second to none. As well as being dependable and affordable, the GVX features spirited driving, comfort, and great looks. The 1.3-liter engine is rated at 65 horsepower. It will propel the GVX from 0 to 65 in just 14.3 seconds and accelerate to a top speed of 95.6 miles per hour. A 5-speed transmission and heavy-duty clutch transmit power to the ground where low-profile 155/70 SR13 steel-belted radial tires and oversized front anti-sway bar takes care of the handling chores. A 65-amp alternator ensures sufficient power to handle additional accessories. This model also features exclusive European design with sporty wheel covers and a RIM aero package consisting of a front air dam with fog lights, rear spoiler, side skirts, body side molding, and integrated front and rear bumpers. And for the added comfort of our customers, the GVX comes with exclusive embroidered upholstery. One important thing to remember is that each of these Yugo models can be enhanced with specially designed accessories that provide your customer with expert styling, performance, comfort, and affordability. For example, there is a 4-season roof rack. Deluxe wheel covers are made of ABS plastic and are as durable as they are attractive. Custom-designed air conditioning adds comfort and convenience. And for the audiophile, Yugo offers a sound choice of stereo radio tape decks. Yugo is a car your customers will fall in love with. People everywhere are discovering the advantages of owning America's most affordable new car and will be coming to you for a test drive. Now that you've seen all of the features of the Yugo GB series, it shouldn't be difficult to convince your customers that the Yugo is the car that they need.